welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe and share. Let's do this!
What? You need help? Why? You want to do one? You want to do one?
Yes, go so I can.
We're going to go down there and then we're going to come back around. Okay? So go get my corn and then we're going to go back around and get your Fruit Loops. I want peanuts. Corn. Go. Go. Go and go around because we need milk too. Christian, you want frosted flakes? You want frosted flakes and Fruit Loops? Oh, you have already. I need milk. Can I get this milk? I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I have it. Get the... So the... Is that Fruit Loops? Let me show you something. You see? This one and this one basically have the same amount in there. This one is cheaper and this one is twice the amount. So get this one. You see? They basically have the same amount in there. The box just bigger. I want one of these. Look, there's a puzzle on there. You gonna do this puzzle? It's a rainbow. You need to make a rainbow with the Fruit Loops. Okay, let's go. You're not going to make the rainbow? Alright, go. Wait. The guy, go and check if they have any. You want Monster milk? Huh? You don't want strawberry Monster milk? You want it? Huh?
I got you to buy that.
Yeah, bet me if I buy. How much you gonna pay me if I buy?
This one.
That's $74. Alright, I'm gonna get two. Cause I'm gonna just buy three. I'm getting three. I have a headache. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
We have a headache.
I think we are gonna need one more milk. Let me get one more milk. Get one of the cream milk for yourself, because you're skinny with your skinny self. Yeah. I'm getting this one for you. You want to get the small one for me? No, No, that don't make any sense. Alright, I'm waiting to see if the guy get the cinnamon syrup.
Okay.
Because them shelf here looks scanty. Christian, the tricks taste better than Fruit Loops, you know? Are they even the... Huh? It's Tricks. It's the real one. What? What? You want that one? I can't hear you.
Tricks for kids.
So aren't you a kid? Oh boy. Yeah, something else. Tricks are for kids, so you're a kid. Are you a rabbit? The box look big, that's what I'm asking.
No, that's the small one. The family size looks like.
Okay, alright, thanks. Let's go. Alright, so we got the you know what? Come here, Christian, you want sausage? Let's go get some sausage. Let's go get some sausage. Here. Let me get some diaper for you.
Why?
Because you're a baby. You need diapers.
I'm not a real baby.
Go.
That's why I said.
Go.
That's why.
You need diapers and baby food. I'm kidding. Go, 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 go. Go. We have sugar and flour already. We don't need none of that. We just need some snacks. You're going to crash. You're going to crash.
Not.
Yeah, you're going to crash.
No, I'm not.
The sausages are over here. Come over here. All right. You want spicy? You get spicy? Why are you going all the way up there so they're right in front of your face? Genius. Only one you want? You can get three? Alright, two more. Alright, I'm going to get the pork. Eve. I'm going to get the pork spicy pork for myself. Good boy. Alright, let's go. Drive. They have a new Pringles flavor. You want to try that? Go. So come here. It's spicy. Is it spicy? Yeah. Alright, what else? We don't need nothing else around here, so. Where are you going over there? That's the meat section. Go that way. Wait, we need noodles. Yeah, go. I'm getting mine amongst the lady. Hi. No thanks. I'm gonna get shrimp. Alright, let's go. Go straight though. Oh. Out. Reverse. You signaling?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. Now we're going back. Come. You're going the wrong way. Go around. Turn around. Turn. Go. Go. I'm making you dizzy. Let's go in this aisle. We need to get something for Zico. These are stuff. These are cute. Dirty. What's this? Fish. That's fish food. How you can leave the trolley with your something them up there like that?
Over here.
I'm getting bird food.
Get bird food. Oh, this way. Over here.
That's not what I'm getting for Zico. I'm getting the one in the can.
No, Zico.
Christian, Zico have this already. Alright, fine. This is beef. Alright, let me get the material. Which one should I get? The beef or the beef? Chicken? No, this is not chicken. This is beef and chicken. This is beef and fish. This one has... You know what? I'm getting the beef and chicken. Alright, we need... What else we want?
Zico meal.
What?
Zico meal.
Oh. This way. Why are you going the wrong way? You see that? What? Come this way. I need dish soap. Go! I'm manually down the old people in. We have... Go. You shy?
I'm not shy.
Go. Pass. Alright, we need to get some... Christian, wait. We need tissue. Come here. Get 3. Put them over here. And the dish soap. Go. Go. I'm taking away your cart.
What? Stop.
Don't bounce me. Come, go. Mind your bouncy people, go on. I don't need no sardine. Go. Who? No, that I have already. What is this Caprice on sale? What? What? Yeah. That's cheddar and sour cream. Okay, I need cheese because I'm gonna buy bun. Wait, where you gonna? It's a tell us you need. Where you going in this section? You want baby food and diapers? So why are you coming in this aisle? You want the baby food challenge? Hmm? Let me go get the wipes. We need wipes. Why are you playing with the butt? It's a baby butt. Alright. Stop! I'm in your bones. Okay, let's turn back and go that way. Mind your bunks, the lady. Go. Kristen, this is cute. I'm gonna get you one. Oh, it's for girls. What's so funny? Come here, let me show you something. Come here. This is what you used to eat. You used to love it.
Yes, baby.
You used to love it. I wonder if you want to try it?
No. Look at myself.
You see yourself? You see yourself?
Why are you afraid?
Alright, let's go. You used to eat this.
Yeah.
You used to, where is it? You used to drink that. Yeah. And you used to love this. You remember this? And that one? And where is the next one? Where you used to drink?
I'm growing up and people.
Let me show you the next one. They don't have it. How do they not have any Infamil? You used to drink baby formula, but not this one. Come, I'm gonna get cheese. Yes, you can. They have mozzarella cheese. Yeah, make no, me and I make no pizza. Alright.
Yes, I want pizza.
I'm not making any pizza. I'm getting cheese. You see? This is it. I'm getting this one. That's $400. This is $500, almost $600. Don't toss it like that. Wait, boy. Boy, wait. We need water.
There is water here.
You can push the trolley with the water on it.
Yeah.
Boy! In itself. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. That's not the one that I'm buying. I'm getting, you want one of this? Wait, today is how much?
One day.
Today is a 7. Should I chance it? Let's see if they have. All of them are the same date.
I'm gonna get this one.
It says 11. I wonder if it's 12. Alright, let's get some cold drinks. Diet Peppy.
Yeah,
Put it up here, so.
that I wanted.
Alright, let's get some box drinks because we're going by patty. You wanna stop and get patty?
Can I get this? Get this and patty? I know you know that. And some. Can I get the piece and patty?
She's talking to you.
Shy.
Alright, you want orange? Why are you hiding? What? What? What's so funny?
I thought
What?
it was
The cracker is funny. You want orange juice? Orange juice. Alright, let me just get my drink and then leave you alone because you up in the, like up in your feet.
I see you.
Alright, cold drinks here. Let me get
Senior, beef,
and this. What? You can't see her in the mirror, in the glass. Come on.
You can see.
Alright, let's go over there and get. Come over here before.
That's what he's doing.
Hmm?
And they're 400.
Wait, let me get some of these. That's 12, 6, and 12 of them. No, I'm not buying it because you're only going to eat out the jam from inside it and waste the cookie. And I'm not buying it. I bet I'm going to buy. You want me to buy crackers and guava jelly for you? You want the jelly? Alright, let me see if I get any guava jam up there for you. Alright, the bun, we need one bun. I want coconut roll. What? I'm hungry, I need something to eat like here. What? Alright, here's the bun. You gonna leave me over here? And how you gonna reach home? This feels so tough. Like it all. Alright. What else? Peanut cookie. Your belly empty, mine too. Let me get some peanut cookie. 6, go. What happened? You afraid I lady them? You hungry? What's that? Where is it? Come, Malta. Come, let me open it. Here. Oh, keep the cover, you know. You know. See, they have this.
You forgot.
Eat.
I can't see.
I'm gonna try this one.
I can't see.
Alright, come. Keep it on your nose.
Okay.
Come on. Alright, you want a strawberry cookie or we have enough already? You want more strawberry cookie? Let's get 3 because we have a home already. Some more popcorn. Some zoomers. Some of these. Alright, what else? You want chicken and chips? You want chicken chips? Two? Alright, come on. What else do you need? Lettuce? Cheese whiz. Come, Christian. You want wafers? You want wafers? I'm gonna get some because you keep eating off. This is what, vanilla? I'm gonna get the strawberry one. 26 and it's 12 pack. Wait, them come in an individual packs? Yeah. Alright, come on. Then I have no. What happened to you? Alright, you want. Alright, let me get some of this. Guava pineapple. That's 6. Let me make it up to 12. What? Really? Really, Christian? Really? You just left all the way up there so we can fight for me? Really? Then I have no Arizona ones. That sucks. You want? I'm not buying no juice box for you. What's that sound? What's that sound? Alright, I'm gonna get you keep wasting them. That's why I say I don't want to buy any. Alright, that's 3. 6. Alright, that's it. We're not buying no more. Let's go. Oh, we in a juice section. Alright, we get Malta for you already, right? Let me get some Pepsi. Drink the Pepsi. Here. Holy good. Holy cover. You happy now?
I'm dancing.
You dancing now?
It's been dance.
I have pasta sauce already. We need one oil. One of this.
Where are you from? Where are you from? The girl from.
Come on. Alright, so I think that's everything. Christian, what you do? Alrighty. I think that's it. I need to get some. What's that? Applesauce? Boy, you crazy? Alright, shower curtain. Hello. No, we need box. Yeah. More than one.
More than one?
Yeah.
You going to the cashier?
Yeah.
Or should we take a next one?
Alright. Thanks. Alright, I need some chocolate. Which one you want? The milk one? Alright. Over there, Samir. No, I'm. Alright, see you. I can't go yes, man. Open it. Hurry up. Alright, we need 3 queso. We need 3 more queso water. We need water, that's why I come queso. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Go. Hmm? Which one? Which one? Here?
Yeah.
What happened to you? I want some box here. Yeah, somebody there right there, so with some. One guy there right there, so with some. Come, Christian, come pay for this something where you eat.